Mazi Tunde North, now your man Zo, Dr. Zo, Naija, bobbing for the last 2 to 3 weeks. Now say like I bring one update to you. No say me and you are obedient to the call. We campaign well. Not because I need anything from Nigeria, but I believe in Peter Obi and what it's going to bring to Nigerian government. I believe we need a lot of leadership in this country. Oh my God, I get bad news for you. I did Nigeria now, eh? The thing what I see on ground now. It go hard also. I did make I explain, just put that. Every cockroach and dog with the street of Nigeria now, they don't go APC. I don't know whether they give them fertilizer or whether they give them biscuit bone, I don't know, but I am telling you for sure, cockroach, rat, dog, leave human being, they don't go APC. And we can't time him must be say, our Baba with the Peter, P.O. This na 2026 election and next year, we don't even know the party. Are you coming out? You know, say me, I dey like round to myself one-on-one. I dey like tell myself the truth as it is.
That's the last one.
You know, say the difference between me and you get, you sabi a lot, but you know they on ground. I dey on ground and I dey report from base, my brother. Wetin I dey see, Wetin I dey see, the way this man dey secure the bag, he go hard, like I just talk am.